Hi there, I'm Alexis with CHAKREDY, and today I want to talk with you about how you are a prisoner of other people's beliefs. When it comes to nutrition specifically, it can be so surprising to see where your relationship with food is dictated by other people's beliefs. Most likely, you've taken on beliefs that are affecting your relationship with food that you are not even aware of, that are not your own. And working with this concept is liberating, to say the least, when you're looking at being able to free yourself from the construct of other people's beliefs. It does require curiosity, openness, and the willingness to see your own blind spots, which can be challenging. Everyone has different nutritional beliefs, and when you're a sensitive person, it's so easy to internalize other people's food beliefs as your own. Why is that? Beliefs have a specific energy to them. And when you can sense another person's beliefs and are responsive to this energy, it is easy to take them on and in as your own. Experiencing the energy of a belief can feel similar to experiencing the energy of a judgment. Sometimes food beliefs are freaking judgy. So there's that. But keep your eye out for the video where I break down the energetic difference between a belief and a judgment, because they can often feel quite similar. So when you experience the energy of a belief that can feel like a judgment in your body, it can create discomfort. And in order to adjust your own energy to be less uncomfortable in the presence of this energy or belief, or possibly judgment, you may accommodate it in your own system and ultimately internalize it as your own. So, why would you ever do this? Well, most likely you're not aware of yourself doing it. But from my observation and from my personal experience, it happens because adapting to that belief and reorienting your energy is actually more comfortable than confronting the belief itself and the believer that it came from. So, having awareness around this process holds a lot of potential to release toxicity in the body. So, let's do a little practice around identifying food beliefs. Here we go. So, take a moment and just picture yourself in bed before you wake up. What is the first thing that you go to eat or drink? What are some of the thoughts that come to you when you have that coffee or you make that first meal? And go ahead and follow that train of thought. And then I want you to identify 5 food beliefs. Go ahead and list them out. And these can seem relatively simple or profound, such as, if I don't eat breakfast, I'm a wreck in the morning, or bread is bad for me. Those are just 2 examples. But before you jump into whether or not this is true, or if this is a good or a bad thought to have, belief to have, just straight up identify those beliefs. And it may seem hard at first, and then you'll realize how many start to really flood in. So after you've identified these 5 beliefs, go ahead and do this next step, which is get real with yourself and ask yourself the question, are all of these food beliefs mine? Is it possible that some of these beliefs might come from someone else, a family member, a peer, a work environment? Go ahead and trace back to the origin of these beliefs, where they actually came from. Can you connect with that? And then I would love to hear about that below in the comments. So go ahead and share with me what those beliefs are, where they came from, and chances are you share these same beliefs with many people and they're not even your own. So can't wait to hear from you. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.